Why do you keep attracting the same type of person? The charming one, the confident one, the intense one, and somehow it ends the same way. Confusion, emotional exhaustion, self-doubt. This is not random, it's not bad luck, and it's not because you are weak. There are psychological patterns behind attraction, subtle patterns, the kind you don't notice until they've already shaped your behavior. And once you see them, you can't unsee them. By the end of this video, you'll understand why narcissistic personalities are drawn to certain traits, what it says about your emotional wiring, and how to break the cycle without losing yourself. Because most people don't recognize the pattern until they've repeated it more than once. Let's begin. Sign 1. You seek emotional depth. You don't like surface-level connections. You want intensity, passion, emotional bonding. Narcissistic personalities often mirror this desire in the beginning. They study you. They reflect your interests. They move quickly. It feels like chemistry, but sometimes it's strategy. The intensity isn't always connection. Sometimes it's acceleration. Sign 2. You learned to earn love. If you grew up needing to prove yourself, to behave well, to perform, to avoid conflict, you may unconsciously feel comfortable in relationships where love feels conditional. Not because you want pain, but because it feels familiar. And the brain is wired to prefer what feels familiar, even if it isn't healthy. Sign 3. You avoid conflict. You don't like tension. You prefer peace. So when subtle manipulation begins, you adjust. You become quieter, more careful, more understanding. And slowly, the balance shifts. Not because you are powerless, but because you value harmony. Sign 4. You confuse potential with reality. You see who they could be, not just who they are. You focus on moments of kindness, on rare vulnerability, on promises, and you wait for consistency. But sometimes, potential is just projection, and projection keeps you attached to hope. The truth. Attraction is not just chemistry, it is wiring. Your experiences shape what feels safe. Your past shapes what feels intense. Your nervous system responds to what it recognizes. This does not mean you are broken. It means you are patterned, and patterns can be changed. The goal is not to become colder, not to lose your empathy, not to stop wanting depth. The goal is awareness. When you understand your patterns, you stop blaming yourself. You stop repeating unconsciously, and you start choosing consciously. That is power. We may not see each other again, so follow this page. And if you're already here, stay close, because the next insight might be the one that changes everything.